Good morning, my dear children. Today I will tell you about some more birds. So let's start. This is Hoopoe. It is a very beautiful bird. It has a crown of feathers on its head. Let's listen the sound of Hoopoe bird. This is Cuckoo. Cuckoo is a very beautiful black bird. The sound of this bird is the most beautiful sound in nature. I hope that you all are aware of this sound. Let's listen the sound of Cuckoo bird. This is Cock. Cock is also called rooster. It is also a domestic bird. When a cock calls in the morning, this sound is called crowing. Let's listen the sound of a cock. This is emu. It looks like an ostrich. It is the second largest bird and it cannot fly. Let's listen the sound of emu. This is duck. Ducks are great swimmers as they live near water like ponds, rivers and lakes. Our baby duck is called duckling. It makes quack sound. Let's listen the sound of duck. This is penguin. Penguins are the sea birds which only lives in cold areas. They cannot fly in the air. However, they use their wings to swim underwater. Penguins eat fishes and other sea animals. Let's listen the sound of penguins. This is vulture. Vultures are the biggest birds. They do not hunt for food. They feed on dead animals. Let's listen the sound of vulture. This is turkey. Turkey is also a large bird. Let's listen the sound of turkey bird. This is Kingfisher. Kingfisher is a beautiful small bird. It has blue and orange feathers and a long sharp beak. Let's listen the sound of a kingfisher. One of the most beautiful types of bird is bluebird. Bluebird is small in size and it eats plants and insects. Let's listen the sound of bluebird. This is an eagle. Eagles are large and powerful birds of prey. Eagles have large hooked beak and excellent eyesight. Eagles soar up high in the sky. Let's listen the sound of an eagle. This tiny little bird is Nightingale. This bird has very sweet sound. That is why it is also called singing bird. Let's listen the sound of Nightingale. This is Hummingbird. It is a very tiny little bird with a long beak. The birds are named for the humming sound made by the rapid beating of their wings. Let's listen the sound of a hummingbird. These beautiful red-pink feathered birds are called flamingos. Flamingos have long neck and stick-like legs. Let's listen the sound of flamingo bird. So dear children, have you seen these beautiful birds? Learn the name of these birds. Take care. Bye bye.